The Delhi store is finally launching, and it's launching with something absolutely wild. Find out the details, watch through the rest of this video.
क्या है ये?
Dopa, professional boxer. If you know, you know.
Asking about the last vlog, you haven't seen it yet?
No, I haven't.
Why
I'm
not?
going to watch it now.
Your phone is too busy to see our vlog. What are these notifications? Oh, that's all.
Done.
Okay, so only four items today. Light shopping day.
Light. It's not a light shopping day because quite a lot of things you're going to send it to me, bro.
अच्छा और भी है इसके अलावा?
और भी है.
तो आपने ये 3 आइटम यहाँ से लिए, one from Jay Walking.
Yes.
And ये गाड़ी में कौन आप कैरी कर पाओगे?
आराम से bro.
नहीं we'll send रे ऋतिक.
नहीं यार जा रहा वो खाना खाने.
खाना और क्या?
Keshu bhai is coming to have some nice butter chicken and something.
Beverages. Sure. So you're going with the all brown fit today. So you got the pants from Jay Walking.
from Main Street.
Jordan ones from Main Street. Lovely.
Hey man, what's up?
How are you? What are you copying? All of this is yours?
Yep.
Heavy cash out there.
Always in business now.
Lovely. See you, boss. I think both our shoes are very nice today. They're looking extremely nice.
You never want to get late, do you?
Oh God, that's not a good joke. But what are you picking up today?
I think I'm picking up those Yeezys.
Another Yeezy. That's nice.
Probably my last pair.
Last.
What's happening?
This seems to be another colorway. This seems to be another colorway. And even the sizes are different for both. Where the fuck is the label? That is sand. Okay.
अपना तो
And both of these are not sand. And they're also different from each other. The same pair.
But is that Louis Vuitton bag also real?
No, that is fufu.
Here's how we scam Karan Khatri.
Check it.
मैं दूसरा डब्बा ढूंढता हूँ.
Don't abhi don't. Scam 22 Main Street. Hey, मिल गया. Foam runner 7 US.
तो पता ही है.
अरे ये मेड इन यूएस है. तो ये फुफू है. शुद्ध हिंदी में बात कीजिए.
हिंदी में बात करना आता है मुझे.
और दूसरा
मेरा नाम हर्षुल है.
हर्षिल तो इंग्लिश हो गया.
मेरा नाम नहीं पता हिंदी में कैसे बोलूं.
अरे क्या
Christian, how are you suddenly in Bombay?
Bro, business.
What business are you doing?
Kuch nahi, bro. Just came to the store, man, to meet you guys.
What shoes are you wearing? What are these?
Hey, bro. Abhi yaar, I couldn't get these laces on this. I thought it was super interesting, yaar.
I just shaved at the salon, which is down the road from the store, and also got a haircut. And no one knows what is going on.
It's not good.
You should have kept a stubble at least.
Go back, man. I want to
Oh yeah, she. Can you please face there and sit for the meeting?
What is going on? Are you're back? Wow. I'm also back.
No way.
It's
That's what you look like.
it's what I look like. I look too young, dude. I'm feeling like a child.
Now I can't take you seriously, but.
It's a very disappointing reaction. Okay. Plastic came in clutch though.
Aरे, this is that guy, na? Last night.
Hey bro, it's okay. It's my drip.
Shut up, man. Okay, let's go. What color?
Google, it's ochre,
Okay.
Racer, Prototype, Bread, Cactus Jack, High, Mochas, Hyper Royale, Shadow, Smoke Grays, Biohacks, Volt Gold. I do not know this one. Which ones are these?
Patina Jordan.
Patinas. Some grey.
Some grey.
I don't
Like this you'll sell.
No, man.
Where you going with us? You come out of the curtain and say no.
Come out of the closet, bro. शुद्ध हिंदी में बात कीजिए.
हिंदी में बात करना आता है मुझे.
और दूसरा
मेरा नाम हर्षुल है.
हर्षिल तो इंग्लिश हो गया.
मेरा नाम नहीं पता हिंदी में कैसे बोलूं.
अरे क्या What's up? Meet Nitin, new member at Main Street. Timu, what's happening? What's happening?
We got some.
Where's everyone by the way? छोटू किधर है? सैफ किधर है?
सब घर
कहाँ घर मतलब?
सब अपने अपने घर के दिवाली मना
दिवाली हॉलीडे तो तू क्यों इधर है?
उसका घर है ये.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. So what are you doing, Nitin?
I am working on something exclusive.
Okay,
for
like
Ministry.
so are you working on what we are doing, or you're working on how we are going to do that?
Both actually.
Okay, so don't say. Himu, do you know what's happening?
I don't have no idea.
You know something that was supposed to happen a couple of years ago, but then pandemic struck and then it didn't happen.
Yeah.
So something of that sort is happening. So Nitin right here is curating some rules about how it's going to happen. And well, Chotu, by the way, काम करते हैं, Chotu को phone करते हैं. Let's discuss with Chotu, and then we'll decide. हाँ, Chotu गाँव गया, I know, but उसको phone करते हैं video call पे, and then we'll decide, and maybe we'll reveal in this video itself what we are doing, why we are doing, and how we are doing. What's it, Nitin? Alright, let's call Chotu. अरे गाँव वाले आ गए. अच्छा, listen. 2 rules before we start this conversation, okay?
What rules?
You don't have to reveal that we are talking about Stupid 50. Okay. Oh fuck, मैंने reveal कर दिया. And you don't have to talk about what we are giving away like Jordans for 5,000. Oh fuck, ये भी मैंने reveal कर दिया.
Off-white Jordan देखे?
Where are we doing this, by the way?
छतरपुर दिल्ली थर्मल कंपाउंड.
But what does that mean? दिल्ली में हमारा पॉपअप है क्या?
नहीं ना, के अपना दुकान है ना.
ओहो, दुकान बन गई?
बन गई.
तो दुकान कब खुल रही है? दुकान खुल रही है कि पहले हम ये stupid things कर रहे हैं?
साथ में.
Okay, so basically we are giving away some items at stupid prices. So we are here to discuss about how are people going to be able to join that or take part in it, and how are they going to be able to cop it. So we were just discussing some rules for camping out and stuff like that. We haven't really revealed exactly what it is, but I have said that these are some things that we had planned a couple of years ago, which did not happen, which is happening now. With the opening of the Delhi store, yes, the Main Street Marketplace store is opening in Delhi. No, Tik Tik is not going to be there. Tik Tik is busy eating chocolates. So either ways, we are giving away some Jordans for 5,000 rupees.
And Yeezys.
And Yeezys for 5,000 rupees. Yeah. And we are giving some...
2-3 shoes तो बता देते हैं.
2-3 shoes बता देते हैं?
थोड़ा reveal कर देते हैं.
नितिन बोला 2-3 बता देते हैं.
Okay, I'll tell 3 crowd favorites, okay?
Yeah, 3 crowd favorites, but not the top item.
My favorite Jordan 1 Mocha for 5,000 rupees.
Wow.
Wow.
My second
You mean this
favorite-
one?
Yeah, that.
Okay.
My second favorite Yeezy bread for 5,000 rupees.
So these are the second one, right? Now
Yes.
third one?
The crowd's favorite Jordan 1 low UNC.
Low UNC.
Oh.
Yeah.
And one absolute top-notch beauty, grails for most of people at 5,000. Right, so now we are going to be deciding the rules about how you guys can come to Delhi and take part in this whole thing that is happening. We will let you know in detail. Vedant will tell you that in a bit. But other than that, make sure to follow all the handles of Main Street on Instagram, because all the details will be shared there. It might be shared at one place, or you may never know, it might be shared on 2-3 different accounts. So make sure to follow all the handles. And follow me too, because that's
follow me also.
That's me. No, don't follow him.
Follow
and yeah, so we're gonna continue doing this rule thing now. And Vedant, over to you.
Okay, right here, let me interject. 2 years ago almost, when we were looking at launching the Bombay store, I had this dream of doing something absolutely crazy to open it up. We had no money and there was no team. I think we were like 2 people at the time. But in my head, it was like, okay, let's do something that's cool. And I thought, how cool it'd be to have a ton of people lining up outside the store for launch day. What would people line up for? And so over the next 3-4 months leading up to the launch date, I would look for good deals on items wherever I could afford it and buy them and keep them aside. So it wasn't hard and wasn't a big expense at one time. And over time, we managed to collect 50 items that in my head we could give away at stupid cheap prices, and we called the whole event Stupid 50. We announced it before the Bombay store launch, and honestly, it was crazy. People went mad. It was super exciting. But of course, the pandemic hit literally on the day we were supposed to host it, is when the national lockdown took place, is when the country went into lockdown, and we had indefinitely postponed, which sucked. But every day for almost a year, we got DMs saying, yo, when's it happening? When's it happening? When's it happening? By the time we could open, there was still a lot of restrictions, so we couldn't host the lineup with a crowd, and over time it just fizzled out, and we were like, whatever, leave it. But with the Delhi store coming up, we figured here's a shot at doing something we never actually ended up being able to execute. And now we've got a whole team of almost 20 people, and things are a lot better now, and it's a lot bigger, and we have all of you watching and supporting the business. This is our very informal, formal announcement that Stupid 50 is finally happening. It's happening on the 13th of November. And the idea is this: every single item in the sale is absolutely stupidly priced. Every shoe is 5,000 rupees, every hoodie is 3,000 rupees, every t-shirt is 1,000 rupees. There's 3 price slabs. The rules will be completely transparent. Everybody will have a fair shot. The items that are in the sale will be revealed over the next few days. So make sure to follow all of our social handles to keep up. And one thing I can tell you for sure is that you have to be in Delhi on the 13th of November no matter what. Ideally from the 12th night. But the 13th November morning is when this is going to take place. It's going to happen on a much bigger scale. The items are all going to be brand new. It's going to be crazy. So let us know in the comments below what you want us to be giving away as part of the sale. What do you want to see in the sale? Tell us where you're coming from. And wherever you're from, Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, Jaipur, Raipur, Assam, you definitely don't want to miss this. So book your tickets now. Get there. And like I said, let us know in the comments what you want to see in the sale. Let us know where you're coming from. We're so excited to spend all this time with all of you. It is our dream to be doing a massive camp out lineup with all of you together in a transparent, fair, democratic arrangement. It's honestly just a dream come true for all of us in the team. We're so excited to see this happen. And honestly, it's all because of everybody. It's all because of all of you watching this that we're even able to think about doing something like this. So, one thing we're just really grateful. That's basically it. I couldn't be in the store filming this because I'm in Pune recovering from an illness. I should be all good to go 13. I'd hate to have to miss something like this, but I will see you all there, as will the rest of us.
Let's take my
What up,
specs, then I'll
bitch?
do
I made him my bitch, bro.
Wait, let me.
Don't remove this thing.
अभी वो क्या करेगा?
Subscribe to this channel, follow us on all of our social handles, keep track of what's going on, and beat it.